Good morning, Rosie, and good morning, all of Northeast Ohio. Happy Easter. I've got a beautiful weather day on tap for us today. Temperatures generally in the low 30s this morning. So yes, it is a cold start. You're going to need your jacket on your way to your Easter services. It's 34 here in Cleveland, 34 Akron, Canton, 30 in Lorain and Worcester. We do have some backyard temps in the 20s, 29 in Westlake, upper 20s in Hudson. You go down to Crestline, 33 Tiffin, checking in at the freezing point. Now, each and every day we are going to warm up this week. We're on this warming trend. Today, we're headed into the upper 50s this afternoon. Of course, you know, cooler along the lakeside. I do expect temperatures to hover in the mid 50s and then eventually drop into the upper 40s by the time we head towards 4 o'clock due to a light lake breeze. But here's the rest of your forecast. 58 degrees, lots of sunshine expected on this Easter Sunday. It will be chilly once again tonight. Temperatures back down into the mid 30s, clear, calm, and cool, all thanks to this area of high pressure. Now this will kind of dive more to the south. It's going to meander around our area. And with that said, eventually our winds will shift out of the south, and that's going to warm us up even more. So the headlines here for this week ahead: a sunny, dry stretch. I'm issuing a car wash alert. You have several days where you can get that done. Warming trend, we might hit 80. I'll let you know what day that could happen, and a weekend rain chance coming up. I'll track it for you, Rosie.
12 gnome puns. At least that's what I counted. At least 12. There may have been more, but I think I was just so overcome by the gnominess. It was entertaining. You gotta love it.
Don't worry, I'm not going to put any kind of gnome puns in the forecast. I promise you.
Well, but we've got beautiful blue skies, so we'll take blue sky puns anytime you want.
Sure. Sunny, dry, gorgeous.
Lots of good
fantastic.
adjectives. Good adjectives.
Yeah,
Good adjectives.
I'm loving this weather this weekend. I'm sure you will as well. You have to find a way to get out and enjoy. Happy Easter, everyone. I hope your Easter morning is off to a wonderful start. Look at the sky. It is absolutely gorgeous. That nice hue of blue. We had sunrise just before 7 a.m. Sunset this evening is at 8:01. Yesterday we managed to hit 54 degrees. Our average high 57, and we'll hit that mark today. So each and every day we are going to gradually bump up our high temperatures. Now right now across our area we're at least 2 to 7 degrees warmer than this time yesterday. So this warming trend already taking shape, but it is still cold out there. It is 34 in Cleveland, 40 in Columbus. So we're kicking off the day in the low and mid 30s. You're going to need the jacket to some of those Easter services this morning. By the time we hit 10 o'clock, we recover into the upper 40s. As we head into the afternoon, mid to upper 50s expected throughout the day, unless you're along the lake shore. By around 4 or 5 o'clock, just like it's happened every day so far, you're going to cool off a bit, and the reason why, lake breeze set up. It'll be right along the lake shore, though. I expect temperatures to get to right around 50 degrees, upper 40s by the time we hit 4 or 5 o'clock. So looking at storm fox, all is quiet, widening out the view across the whole entire region. In fact, check out Atlanta, looking good down there. So finally those showers have moved out of the area. That's really the only rain activity east of the Mississippi. It's along the Outer Banks, Eastern Carolina. Over towards the west, from Minneapolis down towards Omaha, there's a line of showers there. That's staying put. We've got high pressure that is going to keep the cloud cover and also the rain away from us. I mean, we're dry for days. Check out this graph. Absolutely nothing until we hit Saturday night into Sunday, and at that point the risk is rather low. So it's a front that's going to be moving through here Saturday night. I'm going to show you it on Futurecast. So if you look at the clock here, this is noon on Friday, and we're still seeing some sunshine. It looks like some of this rain wants to eventually head our way, but it's not going to happen. It's just going to throw some cloud cover at us later in the day. When the rain arrives, 11 p.m. Saturday night, and it'll be just a few showers, and then the front will move into our area as we get into your Sunday, and that's going to bring us our shot of rain, maybe even some rumbles of thunder, but that's still ways away. It could change, right? 58 degrees on this Easter Sunday. How about 64 tomorrow? Lots of sunshine. These are temperatures that you can open up your windows, let the fresh air in, do some spring cleanup outside in the yard, go out for a run or a walk, enjoy the many great metro parks we have here across the land. It's 73 degrees on Wednesday. Tuesday and Wednesday, it will be a bit breezy, winds coming in out of the south. That's going to eventually pump our temperatures up into the upper 70s. Possibly 80 degrees by Friday, and then we've got that rain chance Saturday night into Sunday. So that'll cool us off to 70 only, still well above average, Rosie. Sun-filled day, lots of blessings here for us in the weather department. It is absolutely gorgeous today and also beyond. I mean, we've got a beautiful looking week ahead of us. Right now, a live look outside, and the sun continues to rise. It came up just before 7 a.m., but it is definitely a cold one out there to kick off the day. Temperatures in the low and mid 30s. It is 31 in Willoughby, right at the freezing point in Ravenna. You go towards Burke Lakefront, sitting at 39. Winds, though, light or calm, and this will be the case throughout the day today. Not a lot going on radar. We are nice and dry across the region. Go towards the Outer Banks, Eastern Carolina. That's where we're seeing some rain showers. And then you go well off to the west. Notice these really not moving all that much. That stationary front will do just that. It'll stay put. So our friend this week is this area of high pressure. It is going to stick with us. In fact, sink more to the south, and at that point we'll get more of a southerly flow, which will bring back above average temperatures to our area and keep us dry. So it's all about tracking temperatures throughout the day today. So let's go ahead and do it for you, because there will be a range depending on where you are. As we head into your lunch hour, it's 54 in Cleveland, low and mid 50s expected as we get towards that hour. Now, where we could see 60, feel 60, Fremont, Tiffin, Upper Sandusky. 3 o'clock, 55 degrees in Cleveland. We've got upper 50s to the south, and then that light lake breeze forms. So by 6 o'clock, mid to upper 40s up from the lakeshore here, Paynesville, Ashtabula, whereas our inland areas in the mid and upper 50s. We're off to another cold start tomorrow morning. Temperatures just above the freezing point, likely in the mid 30s out the door. By 8 o'clock, we're already to rate around 40 degrees, and then by 2 o'clock in the afternoon, everybody over 60. So low 60s expected throughout the day tomorrow, where we could have some mid 60s out in our western counties. Another sun-filled day. So we've got gorgeous, gorgeous weather. So let's talk about some Easter climate. We're nice and dry today, so no worries here. The record over 1.25 inches for the date. Snowfall, 2 inches in 1994. Thankful we don't have to deal with this scene. This is more of our scene. Beautiful, beautiful sunshine. We're not going to hit 83 degrees. That was set in 1941. An average high 57, right around average. And we were off to a colder start. Our average low 36 degrees. Our temperature this morning in the lower 30s. So plenty of sunshine, 58 degrees on your Easter Sunday. Couldn't ask for better weather or better baseball weather for sure. I mean, we've got temperatures in the mid 50s at first pitch, definitely sunny and nice. First pitch at 1:40. Go Guardians. Tonight, 37 degrees, clear, calm, and cool. And then tomorrow, back into the low 60s, so nice, gorgeous, and we're going to continue this trend. 70 degrees on Tuesday. We will bring in some cloud cover, more so towards the end of the day. Breezy conditions, winds coming in out of the south at this point. That's going to help bump our temperatures up even more. Upper 70s, possibly 80 degrees on either Thursday or Friday. Upcoming weekend, it's our next chance of rain, Saturday night into the first half of
And just for folks who are following the Masters, Tiger Woods had to withdraw from the tournament. He withdrew this morning. He's still injured, still recovering from that car wreck, and they said a lot of folks said he was limping around the course. So, we wish him the best too. As he had to drop out of the thing. But we've got Masters kind of weather today.
We do.
Just beautiful. A lot of folks may want to try to get out and play a little golf today.
I mean, they had some nasty weather the last couple of days. So, unfortunately, that system has now moved out, and they're looking at sunshine just like us. But you know what? We've got a sun-filled day today. The Easter Bunny delivering a beautiful, beautiful weather for us today. Blue sky, absolutely gorgeous. We've had some gorgeous shots sent into the Weather Center here. Thanks to all our viewers that have been sending in these beautiful shots. How about this one? Look at the colors, the vibrant orange, the red sky at night, Rosie.
Sailor's delight.
Sailor's delight, exactly. All right, Jenna's view. We've got that beautiful red sky there as well. Oh, I mean, this is just simply gorgeous. And then earlier this week, the full moon, the full pink moon, it was rising, and now we still saw the moon as early as 7 a.m. this morning in some of our live shots. Now where it's just all about that bright, beautiful star, and that's going to stick around throughout the day today, and then another sun-filled day tomorrow. 54, that's what we hit yesterday, just a touch below our average of 57. We'll hit that mark today. I'm going with a high of 58, and sunset, it's now after 8 o'clock, 8:01. It's not until September that we'll have a sunset after or earlier than 8 p.m. So here's a look at your temperature change across the region, about 5 degrees above where we were this time yesterday. So the warmth has moved in. It's cold outside though. Temperature 36 degrees. But as we go through the day today, we're headed into the mid 50s. This is mainly for our northern counties. We will hit the upper 50s in some spots again. It's those along the lake shore where we're seeing those cooler temps with a light lake breeze forming. Akron, here's your forecast today. By the time we hit 1 o'clock, you're already to 56 degrees. I expect you to get in the upper 50s, possibly even 60 degrees, and with a shot of that today. Storm Fox looks like this, nice and quiet, widening out the view. We do have some showers well off to the west of us. That's going to stay there, really, a stationary front. And then we've got some showers along the eastern portions of the Carolinas. All right, so rain chances, absolutely nothing for days. Issued a car wash alert. We're staying dry all the way through Saturday. Saturday night, maybe as early as Saturday evening after 8 p.m. We're seeing some showers moving in. Much of this will occur overnight, and then there's the chance for widely scattered showers, even some rumbles of thunder on Sunday. And you'll see that here on Futurecast. It looks like this rain wants to move up on Friday. Not the case. They'll just throw some cloud cover at us. Here comes Saturday evening, 11, and we've got the showers already starting to move into our area. And then on Sunday, here comes the front with that, scattered showers and some rumbles of thunder. Right now, I'm putting about a 30% chance at that. Each and every day we warm up. Today, upper 50s. Tomorrow, low and mid 60s. 70 as we head into Tuesday. And how about this? We're nearing 80 degrees. Thursday into Friday. These are going to be the pick days of the week for sure. And then there's our next chance, Saturday. It's on the cool side, yeah, but you can't complain about this sky. I mean, it is gorgeous. Sun was up at 6:58 this morning. We'll have some beautiful sunsets in store as well. Temperatures right now working their way into the mid 40s for a lot of us. 40 at Burke Lakefront County Airport. It's 46 in Akron. Low 40s in Ravenna. Wind still light or calm. That's going to continue through the day today. Nothing really to speak of across the region. You go over towards eastern Carolina, Outer Banks. Those are some showers. At least it's dry in Atlanta now. And then from Minneapolis all the way down into Omaha, that system, stationary front, it's going to stay put stationary. High pressure, this is our system. This is keeping us nice and dry. It's going to meander across our area, eventually slip to the south, and as it does, winds coming in out of the south. So we're going to gradually warm up as the day goes on, and with that high in place, we are dry. Storm frogs, nothing on radar or satellite for that matter. Here's a look at your temperature forecast. This is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. At this point, everybody pretty much in the mid 50s. Watch the difference here at 4 o'clock. We'll hit right around 50 degrees near the lakeshore only. Upper 50s to the south, 60 to the west. Like I said, I do think there will be a couple of 60s on this map. Then by 7 o'clock this evening, we'll drop into the low and mid 40s here along the lakeshore, whereas we'll hang out in the lower 50s inland. Another quiet night on tap. We've got temperatures back into the mid 30s waking up tomorrow morning. We'll quickly recover in the mid 40s by 9 a.m. and look at this, well into the low, possibly even mid 60s tomorrow afternoon. A string of gorgeous weather. This is the kind of weather you can open up your windows, let the fresh air in, get some spring cleanup done across your yard, or just take a nice walk in our many metro parks. Now, rain on this date in Easter picked up over 1.25 inches in 1988. That's the most. We're rain-free today. We're snow-free today. No scenes like this, but the most snow we've had on Easter Sunday, 2 inches. How about that warmth set in 1941, 83 degrees. We'll hit right around average. I'm going with a high of 58 today, average high 57. Minimum temperature has been a touch below average. So plenty of sunshine today, 58 degrees. You want to catch our Guardians. This is going to be the best game of opening weekend. Lots of sunshine, very pleasant conditions, temperature 55 degrees at first pitch. 37 tonight, clear, calm, definitely chilly waking up tomorrow morning, but still a lot of sunshine. Temperatures back into the low, possibly even mid 60s. We'll reach 70. Breeze will pick up middle of the week. Low 70s expected on Wednesday. Upper 70s Thursday into Friday. There is a shot that we could have an 80-degree day Friday afternoon, and beyond that, we'll hammer it out for you Saturday night into Sunday. There's a chance of some showers and thunderstorms.
And about maybe not buying lottery tickets, but maybe looking at some flowers.
Well, I've got some numbers for you.
All right.
You're going to love them.
Okay.
All right.
Write these down. Write these down.
Write them down. Yeah, they could be your big winners. All right. Here's a look at our time lapse, and we're off to a gorgeous start. Temperatures, yeah, we're on the cold side this morning, low and mid 30s, but sunshine galore, and that will be the case here through the remainder of the day today and in the days ahead. A lot of sun-filled days in this 8-day forecast. How about this? A beautiful red sky at night. Thanks to the viewer that sent this in. I think it's David. Really appreciate it. Jenna's view, gorgeous. And then we had that full moon rising earlier this week. It was a full pink moon for the month of April. Yesterday we managed to hit 54 degrees, a couple degrees shy of our average of 57. We will hit this mark today. I'm going with a high of 58. Sunset this evening is just after 8:01, and our temperatures continue to rise. We're about 8 to 10 degrees warmer than this time yesterday, putting us at 44 degrees right now. So yeah, still cool, but our temperature is warming into the mid and upper 50s this afternoon, and no clouds on any of these icons. Look at the Akron Canton forecast. Temperatures nearing 60. I do expect your high to hit 60 this afternoon. So it's a gorgeous, gorgeous Easter Sunday. Nothing on Storm Fox to speak of. Widening out the view down towards Eastern Carolina and then well out to the west, and those systems are staying put. We are rain free for days. Our next shot of rain, this is coming Saturday night into Sunday, and note the category, 20 to 40% chance, so widely scattered. So not even a huge amount of rain coming at us. So I am skipping ahead. We're going all the way to the end of the week. This is Friday. We've got sunshine mixed in with clouds at our lunch hour. It looks like some of these showers want to creep into the Buckeye State, but they don't. And then Saturday night, that's when the showers start to develop across our area. It'll be the hit or miss variety. On Sunday, we could have a few lingering in the morning, but then widely scattered as we head into the afternoon and evening. And I can't rule out a rumble of thunder. So on this Easter Sunday, 58 degrees tonight, down into the mid-30s. We've got 60s returning to our area, low and mid-60s expected tomorrow. We'll bring in a few clouds. A partly cloudy sky on Tuesday, 70 degrees. breeze picks up out of the south 10 to 20. So it will be a breezy day on Tuesday and on Wednesday, even into Thursday and Friday. But these southerly winds are going to help boost our temperatures. We are in the upper 70s, possibly 80 degrees by Friday. And then that rain comes late Saturday into Sunday. That cold front will just drop us down to 70 Sunday afternoon. Rosie.
Greg Hunt, why not? Well, tickets to Taylor Swift's Eras Tour, say that 3 times fast, Taylor Swift's Eras Tour were so hard to come by that some parents were pulling their kids out of school for the concert. One mother took her daughter's absent excuse note to an extreme by writing it to include songs from Swift's albums.
So, do you know the song Anti-Hero?
No.
It's me. Hi. I'm the problem, it's me. You just read that quickly. I'm like, no, he's never heard that song.
I never heard that song. I'm not in that era.
I'll take the problem with the weather this week. It's
right.
Me, hi.
Yeah.
I'm the problem with this.
There we go.
We've got lots and lots of sunshine degrees too. So I mean, we're still staying above average. The next 8 to 14 days, above average temps and below average rainfall.
Now, you said it's unusual to have such a long dry spell in April, because usually we get a lot of rain in April.
I wouldn't be surprised if Scott Sable comes out with what's the longest stretch of dry weather we've had in April.
Maybe a coffee quiz.
I
You never know.
can see it coming.
Maybe a coffee quiz.
But yeah, this is a long stretch.
All right. We'll be right back at 11.
They do. In fact, a lot of the ski resorts out there are extending their seasons, some well past Memorial Day. I mean, there are some areas, I believe in a Utah ski resort, that picked up over 800 inches of snow. 800 inches. All right, let's take a look at your time lapse across our area. It was definitely a gorgeous, gorgeous day. I mean, it still is, really. We've got blue sky across our area. You can see at Faith Family Church. Pouring on in for the Easter services. Sunshine will stick around all day long. Temperatures mid-50s near the lake shore and then eventually dropping back. But then you head inland. We've got upper 50s to possibly 60 degrees. Temperature right now 52. In Hopkins, it is 51, Willoughby, and nothing going on across the region. We do have some showers closing in on Minneapolis and Omaha, but that's staying put, and then off towards the Outer Banks. That's about it. It's all thanks to this area of high pressure that is going to stick around for the next several days. Move more to the southeast, allowing for more of a southerly flow, keeping us dry and also warming us up in a big way. Here's a look at your temperatures by 3 o'clock in the afternoon, mid and upper 50s. Watch as we kick in that lake breeze. By the time we get to 6 o'clock, those near the lake shore, mid to upper 40s, whereas inland still in the mid and upper 50s. It's going to be another cold night tonight. Temperatures back down into the low and mid 30s, waking up tomorrow morning. But watch this, by 11 a.m., we're already in the mid 50s, low to mid 60s expected tomorrow afternoon. So we've got a beautiful string of weather for us. And your Easter climate, how about this? We're right around average. Going with a high of 58 today, our average 57. The record was 83, set back in 1941. So string of dry days. It's not until we get to Saturday night and Sunday, that's when we'll see some widely scattered showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. And you'll see it here on Futurecast. I'm skipping all the way ahead to Friday. And by the way, Friday is the day that we could possibly hit 80 degrees. So we've got a mix of sun and clouds. It looks like the rain wants to move in, but it doesn't. We stay dry on Friday. As we get into Saturday, it's mainly Saturday evening where we'll see a few showers starting to pop up, and that's going to continue through the night. Then the cold front moves in on Sunday. Again, widely scattered showers, maybe even a rumble of thunder. Enjoy this Easter Sunday. Plenty of sunshine, 58 degrees. You headed to check out the Guardians today. First pitch, 1:40, 55 degrees. Plenty of sunshine at that point. 37, clear and chilly tonight. Tomorrow, low and mid 60s. This is the weather. You can get the fresh air into your home, open up your windows, nice and dry. It will be breezy though, Tuesday into Wednesday. It's going to bump our temperatures above 70. And then how about this? Thursday into Friday, upper 70s, possibly 80 degrees. And our next shot of rain, Rosie, Saturday night. So we've got a gorgeous week ahead of us.
He's going to be the fluffiest cop you've ever seen, as a California police station just adopted a brand new officer. Not a bad bunny. Not a bad bunny, but we've also got Beautiful weather for looking at bunnies. A lot of people may have gotten an Easter bunny today.
Easter bunny might have knocked on the door, not knocked on the door, but you know, left the Easter basket.
Very
for some
rowdy
of our-
Easter bunny.
I mean,
Take
and
this
the
candy.
eggs around the yard. You know, lots of egg hunt. 80 degrees. Our next shot of rain Saturday night.
All right, thanks, Jen, and thank you all for watching Fox 8 News. We'll see you later.